here is a darling little girl. This is Serafina. Serafina's ID number at the Baldwin Park Shelter is A4817696, and she is a purebred, we think, toy poodle. She only weighs 5 pounds, so she's definitely a toy. And she's got that poodle. Look at her. Oh, you are so cute. She's white. She came into the shelter on April 13th as a stray from Covina, and she weighs only 5 pounds, and she's about 5 years old, we think. But oh, look at you. She is a doll. What can you tell us about her? She's walking on a leash, or?
She does walk on a leash.
Good.
She's good with other dogs. She's very, very sweet, very shy,
yeah,
but loving, and just looking for a loving, wonderful home.
Well, she's got a lovely demeanor. She's very common. She's very scared here.
She's a lady.
Yeah, she's a lady. She's a little lady.
Dainty.
Of course you are. Oh, come and meet this Miss Dainty Serafina, because she needs a new home. It could be yours if you get lucky. She's available right now. She does need a little bit of medical attention, possibly. She has a tumor on the abdomen that may be nothing or maybe something, but, you know, take her to a vet. That's what she needs. She needs attention, she needs love, and she will reward you. She'll reward you just looking at her. Isn't she a doll? Come and meet Serafina. Bye, baby.